Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an intriguing question to answer: who is the richest option trader in India? Let's find out. Options trading is a way to invest in the stock market without actually owning the stocks. It's gained popularity in India, attracting both experienced and new investors. So, who's the richest option trader in India? It's Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He's often called the Warren Buffett of India and is known for his success in options trading. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala started with a small investment of 5,000 rupees and built his wealth through his expertise in the stock market. He has made profitable trades on various stocks and has become one of the richest option traders in India. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala: options trading requires knowledge, experience, and careful analysis. It's a combination of understanding market trends and managing risks. Besides trading, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is also known for his philanthropy. He believes in giving back to society and has contributed to causes like education and healthcare. It's important to remember that options trading involves risks. It requires continuous learning and disciplined risk management. If you're interested in learning more, we recommend reading Options, Futures, and Other Derivatives by John C. Hull. It's a great resource to enhance your understanding of options trading. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the richest option trader in India, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Remember, with knowledge and perseverance, you can aim for success in the stock market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy trading!